The market is getting so close to brand new all-time highs. It's up on the day, and literally every stock but one that I own is down. Come the frick on. This is the life of a professional investor. This is exactly what it's like to live through and not just be a trust me, bro. This is the reality of trading. You can have the market that is screaming up higher, and literally every stock that I own, except for one, is down on the day. Is it frustrating? Absolutely. So if you're sitting in that situation and you own basically any one of these red stocks today, like I do, you're probably feeling frustrated just like that too. But that is the point of having a plan. You can feel frustrated. You can feel down. You can be like, it's fine. I don't have a reason to worry about it one way or another. So I'm just going to let it be. Right. That's where I'm trying to get you guys to look at your mentality. And right, like Mark says, right, losers are built into the plan. Now, granted, we don't have to take anything off. We don't have to take anything off right now. In fact, let's go through our plan real quick and start with Robinhood. Now, where in the wide world of sports would I get out of this trade? Should I, Joe, I'm going to ask you a question right now. You ready?
Yeah.
Should I panic sell?
No.
Why not?
Well, because you know where you're going to get out because you have a plan and you're going to follow your signals. And freaking out with your hair on fire is not one of the signals last I checked.
I don't have enough hair to light mine on fire. So we're not going to be doing any of that. Okay. You guys don't know. Joe is also like 100% bald. He just wears a hat to cover it up. I'm joking. But I'm joking about that. But I'm not joking about Chris Chain's telling us exactly where to get out.
Blocks, earnings, stops, and exit. Oh, that's how outliers roll.
But we are currently in Plan M, which is our most aggressive plan. And these are the exit signals for Plan M. Now, this is my plan that I'm trading, and I get to trade this live. And we're doing this day after day after day, following the plan on the entries and following the plan on the exits because it has a positive expectancy. Now, on a day like today, it can be incredibly frustrating. And I don't want you to feel like you're the only one who feels that way. I definitely feel that way too. But looking at this, do I have a reason to exit? Let's take a look, right? First, do I have an outlier sell signal on the stocks that I own today? I own Hood, Roblox, Zscaler, GameStop, OKTA, Apple, Coke, and what is this called? Everpure. Now, again, all but one of them is down on the day. Now, my first question is, do I have a sell signal on these? Well, if we pop into Outlier, I can see, nope. The only thing in my favorites list, which makes this so much easier, that has a sell signal is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is still sitting on a sell signal, although maybe by Monday it'll flip around. We'll see. It's trying to recapture that bullish trend right there. So for me today, looking at my stocks, now I don't have any exit signals, so I don't have to just jump right away. Next, has the 10 and 20 EMAs crossed down? Now there's one of these that's really close, and I saw somebody earlier say, I don't know what Chris is going to do today on GameStop. I'm going to tell you real quick. Let's go through this. Cross blocks earnings stops. Cross, 1020 cross. Blocks if it runs into a 120-day-old order block. Earnings coming up, or if it hits one of our stops. None of them are gapped up today, so I don't have to worry about that. Cross blocks earnings stops. So Robinhood, cross, no. Blocks, there's no outlier blocks on top of this, no. Earnings are 19 days out, so I don't have to worry about that. There's just a little widget up here in TradingView that tells you how many days out. Makes life simple. And then stops are down here, so I don't have to do anything. So I can move on. Roblox. Cross, no. That's looking good. Blocks, there is a block up here, but this one is 86 days old. 86 days old does not qualify it as a exit block because we want to see 120 calendar days or greater. Now remember, the point of this is where are there trapped buyers who want to get out at break even? I'm not going to say that when we get to this area, we won't be dealing with overhead resistance. But in our back testing, we found that the real break over point to where they get significantly more resistant is at 120 calendar days. And this is at 86. I'm curious how far it fell from the top of this order block to the very bottom, 35%. 35%. So you may see some selling when we get up to this area, but that's part of the game, right? And until I have a reason to exit, I'm going to continue to hold it. Cross, no. Blocks, no. Earnings, 33 days out. Stops are not hit, so I hold it. Zscaler. Cross, no. Blocks, there is one here, but it's a baby block. I'm not even worried about it. Earnings, 60 days out. Stops are not hit. Nothing to do. GameStop, 2179. Now, I told you this after this morning when I was going through the video, exactly where I was going to exit. What I want to see is if the 10 and 20 cross down. As of right now, it has not crossed down. The 10 EMA is at 2201. The 20 EMA is at 2199. Now, granted, it's crashing to levels not seen since the last 2 days. Okay. Nothing has really happened in the last 2 days. It's gone sideways. But the 10 EMA has compressed, that's the word, compressed down closer to the 20 EMA. If this does cross, I'm out. But as right now, it's not. And right now is the time that I'm evaluating my trade, so I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to leave it. OKTA, man, what a jerk, right? Popped up, went sideways, pulling back in. Now this one, again, cross, no. Blocks, no. Earnings 54 days out, stops not hit. That's it. Joe, it's literally that fast. When you have a plan and you know what you're looking for, you can bing, bang, boom, and you're done. Apple. Cross, no. Blocks, no. Earnings, 20 days out, stops not hit, done. Coke. Cross, no. Blocks, no. Earnings, 18 days out, stops not hit, done. Now, this block right here was created on this candle. It's created on this candle. If it had been created at that point at entry, I wouldn't be interested. But because it happened while I was in the trade, not even thinking about it. Last one, Everpure. Cross, no. Blocks, yes, there is another order block on top of this, but we measured it. It is at 60 days out right now. Again, half the seasoned. Remember, Joe, I said that this morning. That's actually a finance bro term. Isn't that funny? Finance bro term for when they talk about like how old a mortgage-backed securities are. They talk about how seasoned the mortgage-backed securities are. And why do they care about that, Joe? The reason being is if I'm selling you a investment and that investment is a mortgage-backed security, my finance bro is coming out real strong right now. And that investment is a mortgage-backed security. And in that investment, I have 100 mortgages. If those mortgages are 3 months old, it's a very baby, very tinily seasoned investment. But if those mortgages are 15 years old, those are heavily seasoned investments. So unlikely that something that's been around for 15 years is going to have the same default rate, which is why you care about the seasonedness of it. It's not seasonality, it's seasonedness, versus something that may just be a couple months old. Does that make sense?
It does. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Like that finance bro term of the day, seasoned. So this one is only seasoned half the duration of what I'm looking for my exit signal here. So I'm not even worried about that. Cross, blocks, earnings, 54 days out, stops not hit. Joe, I'm done. Joe, I've gone through my portfolio of 9 stocks. I've looked at them all individually, and I said, do I have a reason to exit? Nope. I can hold it. Do I have a reason to roll? Unfortunately, none of them have happened. You are Joe the Roblox Joe the pixelated McGillicuddy when I put you down like this. I just noticed that. Yep. It's really interesting. Joe is made of Legos. I don't know if you guys knew this. He's not actually human. Joe is Legos. That's a nice looking watch you got there, by the way.
Yeah, this was my favorite. I love how old school it looks. You know,
that's a good looking watch right there. That's a good looking watch right there. Yes, my friend.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. It's my wife's favorite, so it's her birthday, so I'm wearing it today. But to this point right here, Joe, I don't have any reason to exit the trades. Because I don't have any reason to exit the trade. I'm done. I'm done looking at anything. And you know what I can do now?
What?
Well, first thing, I'm going to take my wife out for her birthday. It's going to be great.
Nice.
But I'm going to give away some prizes. How's that sound?
Ooh, nice.
I'm going to give away prizes to our outliers. So if you posted in the share your big wins while we've been on vacation and everything, we got 31 names in here. And I'm going to pull up a couple of these real quick, like Nomad. What's Nomad got to say? Nomad, surely he's not mad because he's no mad. Get it? He's only happy.
Now, Chris, you spent all day deciding what you were going to do. It wasn't just those 7 minutes you just went through your plan, right? You actually watched the charts and everything.
Oh, yes, Joe. I was glued to my screen the entire day. I definitely didn't take my wife out on a big, beautiful spa day this morning and take her out for lunch. And now we're going to go take her out for a beautiful boozy dinner type thing. Absolutely. I was absolutely stuck to my screen the entirety of the day. Yeah, no, not at all. I made my decisions. I know what risk I'm willing to take. And just like Nomad right here, Ninja rolled for 2 HD from 310 to 335 and collected $4,400. It looks like that would pay for a couple years of Outlier. Congratulations, nice. Nomad. Yeah. Let's look at Danny Spark. What did Danny Spark say? What did Danny Spark say? He said it takes far too long when I click these to load. That's what he'd say. There we go. Got in net on 7-2 with Plan M before the long weekend. He rolled it 4 times already with 54% of the risk off the trade today due to the sell signal. He got a 37% return on capital in less. Oh my gosh. He got a 37% return on capital in 3 days and cannot be more happy with this. Congratulations, Danny Spark. Way to go, dude. You're doing exactly what we teach here day in and day out. So if you aren't Danny and you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? Hurry up and subscribe. That way you can be like Danny and see these kinds of amazing things happening in your portfolio. So what we're going to do now, Joe, we have 31 names on here. I'm going to go to random.org and I'm going to put between 1 and 31. Now, I was gone for 3 weeks. So how about we give away 3 prizes? You got a 1 in 10 shot.
We did miss a Friday in there. So good idea.
We got a 1 in 10 shot to win. Stevie D, one of our regulars, is our first winner. Who's the next winner? Number 11 is No Limit 556. All right. And who's our third winner? Remember, random.org. All right. It picks random numbers. Okay. I'm not picking this. Number 6. Number 6 is Kevin B. Congratulations to Kevin B, Stevie D, and No Limit 556. Now, let's go see what those incredibly intelligent gentlemen who already have Outlier, let's see what they've won. Let's see what they've won. Well, Stevie D, our first winner, he's got a $10 merch credit. Stevie
Nice.
D, you know what? It's not the biggest prize in the world, but you can definitely do something awesome with this. Just go over to the merch shop, outliermerch.com, use code OUTLIER, OVTLYR at checkout, and you can get 10% off your order. So if you love the Gap and Go, Stevie D, you can come into here and you can say, you know what? With my $10 gift card, I could put that towards a tank top with a 10% off. I'd only have to pay like $2. Yeah. So go check it out, see what you can find. And congratulations to our first winner, Stevie D. Let's see who the next winner is. Or we already know our next winner. Let's see what Stevie D. You know what? I have been saying Stevie D the whole time. I'm going to give it to Stevie D. Okay. This is my game. I play. I make it my rules. So forgive me, Kevin. Kevin's going to get this prize. Okay. Let's see what Kevin got. Order Block City polo shirt. Now, Stevie D is probably pretty pissed about that. So you know what, Joe? I'll give it to both of them. How's that sound?
Nice.
You know what, Stevie D? Forget the $10 merch credit. I'm going to send you an Order Block polo shirt instead because I screwed up. How's that sound? Does that sound good? Hey,
Score.
if that sounds good, y'all should probably put hashtag Outlier in the chat. If that sounds good, that way Chris is taking care of Stevie D. Y'all should put hashtag Outlier in the chat. Since we're talking about a Order Block City shirt, let's go look at that real quick. Order Block City polo shirt. What's that look like? One of our brand new collections, the Order Block City, inspired by Kostya, since we mentioned Kostya earlier. Isn't that cool? Got a little ninja flying through Order Block City. Yeah, I love these. I think they're super, super fun. All right. It's Mahesh's money. Just spend it all. That's right. That's right. It's Mahesh's money. We don't care. All right. The last one. No Limit 556. Let's see what he gets. Let's see what he gets. I feel like that's a better prize than a $10 merch credit. I'm just saying.
That's pretty cool.
All right. No Limit 556 gets a Outlier University tumbler. Outlier University tumbler headed straight your way. Now, to claim your prize, it's not that hard. You just need to send one email over to support@outlier.com. Say, I'm Kevin, I'm Stevie D, I'm No Limit. Give me my awesome merch that I won. Support@outlier.com. Cheryl or April will take care of you. They're off for the weekend, so it's going to be Monday before they get back to you. Joe,
What?
do you want to give away another prize?
I think we should.
To the people who put hashtag Outlier in the chat. And if you didn't do it already, you probably should do it again. Derek Giovanni was a surprise winner earlier on. And if you put hashtag Outlier in the chat, that'll give you another chance to win because we're going to do more prizes right now. More prizes are more better. That's right. Our next winner is Mofo 1442. That's a really fun name. I like that one.
Captain, you got to spell it right. Put it in again, just in case. Put it in again.
You got a minute. You got a minute, Captain. You got a minute. All right. Mofo. Let's see what the Mofo has won. Mofo. Give Captain another second. Type it in quick. Mofo has won. And listen, if you put it in again, just in case the system didn't recognize it. Mofo's getting an Outlier University cap in white headed his way. headed his way. Again, to claim your prize, you got to go send an email to April and Cheryl at support@outlier.com and say, hey, I'm Mofo. Give me my stuff. All right. Last one. Who's going to be this giveaway winner? Last one. The last one is the Fantastic Sue. Congratulations. Is this Nana? Nana, my mom, Nana Yule. Her name is Sue. So, you know what? Even if you're not Nana Yule, you're still pretty fantastic, Sue. All right. Nana Yule watches everything. What's up, Nana? I'm going to go meet Nana here in about an hour or so for my wife's birthday. What am I doing over here? Hang on. Wrong button. This button. Boom. There we go. All right. Let's see what the Fantastic Sue has won. A $10 merch credit. All right. Fantastic Sue, go crazy in the merch shop on me. Go crazy on me. And be sure you use hashtag, or not, you don't even need a hashtag, just that did not copy. Why is it? I'm just going to type it in. $10 merch credit. Use code OUTLIER, OVTLYR at checkout. All right. So we give away all these winners. If you guys are loving being part of the Outlier crew, the best way that you can show us how much you're loving it is come down here, pick up your referral dashboard, and share this with somebody that you love and let them know just how much you're loving Outlier. Now, listen, Joe, we need to make another video, and that video is going to be coming out here in just a couple days. But you know, I just put all these trades on and I love to work through them day by day. And if you want to see the process of what it's done to go through these videos, be sure you click on the video that's popping up on my face right now. And you'll see step by step why I pick these trades and what my plans are with them. And we'll talk soon.